Alright, so welcome to the all-new AQUILA 47 Molokai. Very proud to be introducing her and debuting her at Flip. So welcome, take a walk around and see this beautiful boat. AQUILA's done a pretty amazing job. So if you're looking for a fishing boat, first and primary, or if you're looking for something more on the luxurious side that has a cabin and a head, we offer both on board the AQUILA 47 Molokai. So we encourage you to come take a look at her. If you're not familiar with AQUILA, you should definitely come take a look at this.
It sound right, boys.
So this is a fishing, first and foremost, she was designed as a fishing boat. Secondary to that was bringing in the elements of having a cabin and a full wet head, so having that luxurious side, and in addition to the stadium seating, the plush release marine seating, there's enough seating on here for 17 people. That's actual physical seats for somebody to sit down in. So you have a plethora of seating. On top of that, you have tons of standing room, and so when you are fishing and you're offshore, you're not going to be bumping elbows with anybody. There's a place for everyone on board the boat. So just very, very well thought out design, and from a fishability standpoint, everything is top of the line on board. So whether it's your Gemlux outriggers or your hooker sea chest, AQUILA hasn't spared anything when it comes to the design of the boat. Design is the boat is designed by Per Yacht Design out of South Africa. Obviously, AQUILA Sino Eagle Group manages the build and works exclusively with Per Yacht Design on the design of this boat. So they invested a lot in CFD and FEI on board to get the whole design correct and dialed in for maximum efficiency and maximum speed. So it's the first introduction in the AQUILA lineup of any of our models that has a double-step hull. So it's a full planing hull. Obviously, we're hitting speeds well in excess of 60 miles per hour with various engine packages. So we have a multitude of engine packages depending on what an owner is looking for. Yeah, so our primary bulkheads, our fore and aft bulkheads, are carbon fiber epoxy infused. That's to add strength, rigidity, and also reduce weight. Our hardtop that's above me is full carbon fiber epoxy, resin infused also, and again that's to reduce weight and enhance the structural integrity of the boat when you're running at those sort of speeds that this boat can. So we don't want a boat that's rattling or shaking when you are running at those sort of speeds and offshore conditions. So everything else that you see on the boat is vinyl ester resin infused. So your stringer system, your secondary bulkheads, it's all vinyl ester resin infused. So no hand layup, no chop saw, everything is done by vacuum infusion. All of our molds, everything is done in-house.